This is Brett Moomey with SkipperBud's Yacht Sales. I'm going to take you on a tour of this 2022 Tiara Yachts 34 LS. This boat is in Ferrari Abu Dhabi blue, which is one of my personal favorite blue hull colors. Obviously you're seeing the bow thruster down there, standard option from Tiara. This owner did opt for custom painted engines to match the hull. Boat is in excellent shape. It's only 25 hours on the Mercury 300s. I'll step topside and give you a tour from interior. You'll see a very nice layout and quite a few touches of high-end finishes throughout the boat. One of the notable layouts is the access to walk port or starboard. There's a telescoping fixed ladder that folds out and lowers down, and then there's a Lumar starboard ladder as well. This boat is equipped with the Reverso engine flush pump system, and this aft seat here is on a power slide. There is a hot cold water wand shower at the transom, and the owners did opt for the Make Fast power sunshade, cockpit sunshade on this boat. Worth noting the amount of little teak accents through the boat. Teak, but even underneath that is Corian, and you'll see that through all the cup holders. Full Corian countertop with a sink. 3-wide helm seat. This boat was optioned with the accent light package, as well as the upgraded stereo system. There's the captain's seat is on a power slide, so it will ramp up and forward, down and back. There's a plug-in here, so a TV can be optioned to go in that section. There's 3 locations for a teak table. The teak table's stored in the lazarette down below there on the bottom side of that hatch, but there's a location there, or on the back side here, with the intent that if you were to lower this backrest flat, join it to the aft facing seat, then you've got one large sunbed and you could put your table out, viewing out the back of the boat. Optional second screen and big option of Seakeeper included on this boat, and the large Merc vessel view screen as well. Again, optional table that's stowed on the bottom side of this cushion with the fixed leg supports, 2 leg supports in designated storage under that seat. Drop down armrest on the forward facing seat on either side there. Spotlight radar that's been taken off for storage, but there is a 48-inch open array Garmin radar and a nice boarding access from the port side here if you're docking at a higher dock. You have freshwater and raw water washdowns. Cockpit refrigerator. And moving down, a twin berth, large hanging locker, full electrical, and then your controls for the diesel generator and monitoring of your freshwater and waste system. Lastly, moving over to the head. Very large head, 6.5 foot of clearance in there. Full wet shower, so this wand will remove and go up to another position for shower height. Again, this is a 2022 Tiara Yachts 34 LS. There are only 25 engine hours on the V8 naturally aspirated Mercury Verado engines. And there's only 15 hours on the generator. There's also remaining warranty on both the boat from Tiara and the engines for a couple of years on either. Give a shout today, ask for Brett, and I'll happily give you a full option sheet on this boat from factory and help answer any questions.